So you are gonna build your dream home. You have to meet many people like constructors, contractors, architects, and contact many companies for services like smart home setup, solar installation and home security, ending up paying lots of individual bills. We help you step forward from that traditional approach. Introducing ORNSOAR Infra, a leading company providing integrated automation solutions for residential, commercial buildings, hotels, malls, office buildings, industrial buildings, hospitals, schools, universities, airports, and sports venues like stadiums. We at ORNSOAR Infra are determined in providing world-class patented technology solutions that qualify international standards through automation, machine learning, artificial intelligence on IoT technology. Firstly, we listen to you, the customer, and figure out a way to best leverage technology to deliver exactly what you need. We offer wide ranges of custom solutions from construction, architecture, home automation, solar installation for energy cost saving, to home security. So visit us at www.ornsoarinfra.com, or email us or make a call to learn how you can get towards your dream home ideas.